Level 2, Book 10. I am big.
I am big, said the duck.
I am big, said the koala.
I am big, said the sheep.
I am big, said the seal.
I am big, said the lion.
I am big, said the hippo.
I am big, said the elephant.
I'm the biggest, said the whale.
You stayed focused until the end. You read the words and followed the story so nicely. Learning English step by step makes you stronger every day. Keep practicing and enjoy reading. Let's read the next book. Book 11. Stanley the Dinosaur.